I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
Bad romance.
So you first.
Bad romance. Gusto niya kasi yung bad romance.
Kasi yung theme song na yun. Start version.
Cute.
Ikaw naman member.
Mama Jerry start. Parang dapat sa romance, di ba?
Oo nga, kasi hindi namin makikita kung ano. Para naka ano. Bawal kang tumawa or bawal ka lang humiti.
Oh, sige. Ayun na, bawal mong bitin lang.
Ay, hindi. Charot na ito. Tignan mo na yung mechanics.
Alam mo na to. Okay.
Equal boy talaga. Ang tatawa ako. Oh, for that, meron na ng isang ano na
Okay. Nag-vanilla tayo. Alam niyo, dapat tinitle ko itong Ring a Bell. Diba? Dapat Ring a Bell. Guys,
I
okay.
was asking.
Hindi na siya high ngayon. Ring a Bell na po. Okay. Tapos tatapikin mo kung sino gusto mong
Sige. May hirap naman. Pagkaraman ako.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hindi ko alam kung wala ko na yung lahat. Pinapasakit ng King Calvin. Sakit. Wala mo na first na namin yun. Ay, tumawa. Okay, dapat lang natin.
Tayo na natin. Hindi na lang tayo maintindihan.
Ikaw na ang next.
Ayan. Sino next?
Ayun ang kinatingon. Pinampas na ka. Napag-ibel po si Mel. Ang lalim na. Ano ba? Akala ko nag-hormones.
Okay. Ha? What? Ba't diba low? Ano siya?
Wala doon laro.
Other two.
Okay, sige na. Kumanta lang kayo dyan. Hindi na kasi na kayo lang yan. Go. Good na lang. Nagkakabitaw pa yun.
Guys, wag na raw po ako maglaro. Sorry po.
Patingin niya.
Ito na lang. Kausapin na lang tayo. Okay. Dapat may topic.
How to put contact lens.
Ano ba?
Ano po ba? Patay. Walang emosyon.
Guys, ganito na lang daw ako.
Oh, like a cat.
Ano mas gusto niyo? Ito, wala.
Choose.
1, 1 to. Ito yung 2. Okay. Hi, Kuya RJ! This is 1.
RJ de la Cruz?
Yeah. Ha? Hindi!
Kuya?
Bakit Kuya RJ ito? Sabi mo, oo. 1, tapos ito yung 2. So, pumili kayo.
Oh, one. They like one. Oh, piniligtad mo. You like one?
Okay, 1 or 2? 2 daw. 2.
One, two.
Ayan na po, magkakabit na po ako. Sino ba mga nagsusuot ng contact din?
Ito, si Mama.
Almost po.
Ready. na lang po.
Okay, anyway guys, thank you so much for joining. Just a quick hi, and I just wanna say I miss you all, and sa mga pupunta po ng concert, magkita-kita tayo doon. I am very excited. We've been doing a lot of preparations, and pina-prepare na natin sarili niya. I'm very excited, so stay tuned. Abangan niyo yan. Thank you so much for joining us, and I miss you and I love you all. See you guys next time. I'll try to go live again if my time. I love you. Anong shade daw to?
Oh my gosh, peachy.
Peach?
I know, intriguing.
Intriguing. It's called intriguing.
Oh, or
And then
that's a secret.
secret.
That's a secret.
Okay, what Mama Jakey does is binablende yung...
Binaligtad mo! Yun ay
Diba gusto niyo to? Nice naman. Alam niya yung corners para
diffuse.
diffuse siya. And it gives that softer look. Yeah. So, I love you all, guys. Ingat! Once again, this was Ring a Bell! Ding, 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 ding! What Mama Jakey does is binablende yung yung garnish. Nilalang niya yung corners para
Diffuse.
diffuse siya. And it gives that softer look. Yeah. So, I love you all, guys. Ingat! Once again, this was Ring a Bell! Ding, 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 ding! Nilalang niya yung corners para
Diffuse.
diffuse siya. And it gives that softer look. Yeah. So, I love you all, guys. Ingat! Once again, this was Ring a Bell! Ding, 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 ding! What Mama Jakey does is binablende yung yung garnish. Nilalang niya yung corners para
Diffuse.
diffuse siya. And it gives that softer look. Yeah. So, I love you all, guys. Ingat! Once again, this was Ring a Bell!